Bhupal Sir's career point. This is a video on electrochemistry. That is unit 2 of class 12. This is the 13th video of this unit. Previous video रे हमें बैटरी विषय रे पढ़िथिलु. बैटरी प्राइमरी सेल कथा पढ़िथिलु. एबे सेही बैटरी सेकेंडरी सेल कथा हमें पढ़िबा. First of all come, what is a secondary cell? A cell which can be recharged by passing current through it in the opposite direction so that it can be used again is called a secondary cell. Primary cell ले हमें only once use करूथिलु. तापरे आउ फाटा तक यूज कर जाई पारनथला, but secondary cell can be recharged and can be used again. A good secondary cell can undergo a large number of discharging and charging cycles. गोटे गुड सेकेंडरी सेल केउटा हबो ना जहाकू आमे बारंबार बहुत थर रिचार्ज करि पारिबु, चार्जिंग करि पारिबु এবং डिस्चार्ज से मते डिस्चार्ज हे पारिबु. Two major examples of secondary cell are lead storage battery and nickel cadmium cell. Let us come for the lead storage battery केउटा बहुत समय रे शॉर्ट नोट हिसाब रे काउंसिल एग्जामिनेशन रे आसे. The lead storage battery is commonly used in automobiles and inverters. The first figure is the actual diagram, but it is very difficult to draw in the examination. You can go through the second diagram, the lead accumulator, diagram of the lead accumulator, where lead and lead dioxide are used as the electrode, and what are the different functions takes place in it. It consists of a lead anode and a grid of lead packed with lead dioxide as cathode. एटी लेड को एनोड हिसाब रे और लेड डाइऑक्साइड को कैथोड हिसाब रे यूज करा जाए. ए 38% सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज यूज्ड एज एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. एटी 38% सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को उटे इलेक्ट्रोलाइट हिसाब रे यूज करा हिता है. द सेल रिएक्शन व्हेन द बैटरी इज इन यूज आर गिवन बिलो. जते बैटरीटा यूज रे थाय सते व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट सेल रिएक्शंस. लेड सॉलिड combines with SO4 of sulfuric acid to give us lead sulfate and 2 electron. At cathode what happens? The lead dioxide sulfate ion from a solution and explosion from the solution gets the 2 electrons created from the anode and becomes lead sulfate and water. Thus the overall cell reaction consisting of cathode and anode reaction is lead solid plus PbO2 solid plus sulfuric acid aqueous gives us lead sulfate solid and water liquid. So ये कौन हुए ना lead oxide और sulfuric acid सहित मिसी lead sulfate और water formation करे. एनोड रु कैथोड को इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. On charging the battery the reaction is reversed. जब बैटरी टा चार्ज हुए सेतल रिएक्शन टी रिवर्स हुए and lead sulfate solid on anode and cathode is converted into lead and lead dioxide respectively as follows. Nickel cadmium cell. The nickel cadmium cell has a longer life than the lead storage cell but more expensive to manufacture. It a lead storage battery to more useful, more longer life, किंतु manufacture ये highly expensive है. The overall reaction during the discharge is cadmium solid plus nickel hydroxide solid gives us cadmium oxide solid, nickel hydroxide and water liquid. This is the overall cell reaction during the discharge of the reaction. Thanks for watching. Bhupal Sir's career point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time.